Damn! It's running like crazy. Fake, almost like a clear. Look, gives off a little mint. Get away from the bag, get away from the bag. Man. Whew. Yes! Woo! Words of wisdom. Good words of wisdom. That's him. Little fish. Must be a bluegill. Yep, bluegill. Start the day off. That'll get us started. Get a little fishy smell on us. Get the gillies to eat here. This one's full blown in the middle of it. Must have got hooked and said, "Oh shit." So, first one here. Nice little bluegill. Still never seen one? Yeah, man, you don't stick around long enough. Got one now, little bluegill. Little old fish. Oh no, crappie. Target species. Target species, let's go. Just was saying a crappie, and this is a great one. This is a keeper. Let's go. Nice keeper crappie from old Poonderson. There you go, man. Show fish. Here it is. Nice chicken wing dinner right there. Ask and you shall receive. Let's go. I was just saying, I should change this, but I'm lazy. I'm looking for these crappie and I got one to hit. Let's go. Let's see. Ah. Yeah, this is a chunky one. That thing just flopped everywhere around. Let's see. Come on, buddy, calm down. Calm down. Never seen a ferocious crappie before. Oh yeah, legal all day. About a 10-incher. Legal all day, yes sir. We'll be keeping that. We'll be keeping that, friends. Like you said, ask and you shall receive, Playboy. I was seeing some fish back there lingering. Cast it in the right spot. Got me a keeper crappie for the day. School of bait fish looks like. Oof, thought that was something right there. As soon as I showed up, those fish are like, this cat's crazy. I gotta get out of this lake. Got him again. Got another one. Back to back. Let's see if we can land it though. Oh yeah, another crappie. Nice size one. Another nice one. That's a keeper. That's a keeper. Back to back. We found him. We found him. Get that thing out your mouth, buddy. That's a bigger one. Yes. 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 Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. It's going good. We got three. We got 2 keepers. Let's go. At Punderson, bruh. At Punderson. That's a slab. That's a slab. Let's make sure. I know it is, though. Yeah, firm. Oh, golly. That thing tried to smack me in the face. I'm just trying to measure you, player. That thing got some aggression. He's got some aggression. Hold on there, buddy. Yeah. Yeah, That's legal all day. That's legal all day. No denying me on that one. Back to back. Yeah, that's what we like to see. It's what we like to see. It's what we like to eat. Ow. There you go, buddy. Enjoy your cousins. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get back out there. You know, when there's one, there's more. And bigger. I'm going to tell you what, my lady will be nice and happy. She'll be, there's one. There he is. There he is, guys. He's on. Did I lose him? Not really getting too much fight from him. Nope, he's there. Just a baby one. Baby crappie. Oh, look at the cutie. Oh, such a cutie. We won't be able to keep him, of course, but such a cutie. We're firing off. You ask, you shall receive. Another crappie. Another crappie here. Just a little guy. Gotta get a little closer for you. Little guy. Spunky. Spunky fish here. Looks like we got the bait that they want. We're starting off with having two nice ones. I want more. I want more. So now I'm just kind of seeing if I can get back into that hole I was at to catch three back to back to back. That's him. That's him. That's who I was talking about. Let's get him in. Let's get him in. Get this thing out the way. Oh, just a young crappie. Young crappie, he won't be able to get kept. Oh, I don't know, actually. Might need to measure this one. He's just a little skinny. Might have to measure this one. He might make the cut. Already got two in there, so wouldn't hurt to fillet him. He's got a nice mouth on it. Just a little skinny. Just a little skinny guy. Another crappie. Go ahead and add that to the total. Let me see. Oof. Oof. He just stole that right at the boat. Ooh. Ooh, he just popped me right at the boat. I seen it. That thing just came and launched out of nowhere and slammed it, dude. Dude, that was so cool. That thing, like, he legit, bow. I was almost to the boat. He grabbed it. I was almost to the boat. These are all keepers I'm catching besides that little old tyke. This is the keeper as well. Man, what a good crappie population right now. Yep, that's a niner. That's a niner. She'll make the cut. Don't get picky when you got them in the bag. Let's go! Yo, insane this bite right now. This crappie bite is insane. Holy shit. Let me chill out. People are gonna come over here and try to steal my spot. What are you using, bro? Literally something simple, man. Simple, simple, simple. I'm gonna show you the bait right now. And this thing is working wonders. A little bit of a white with black flake, almost like a clear. Look, gives off a little minnow with a little small spinner on there, a little jig. That's it, man. That's it. And I'm just casting over these weeds, letting it sink a little bit, popping her back up. And these things are literally just slamming them. Got him. Oh, he came off, I think. Maybe that was a weed. Came off entirely too fast. Got him. Got this one. This is a nice size one. This is something nice. Let's keep him on. Don't know where he's at. Oh, he's dipping down. Where'd he go? There he is. Oh, I gotta land this. This is a monster crappie. Biggest crappie I've ever caught. By far, biggest crappie I've ever caught. Damn! Damn! PB. PB. Oh my God. This is a monster. Oh my, that's a slab. That's a slab. Woo! 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 That's a hog. Woo! Wee! Holy cow, this is by far my PB. 13 inch. I've never caught a 13. I never caught a 13. I think the biggest I got was 12. Bro, we're eating good. We're eating good. This thing's massive. But right now, yeah, they're firing off. They're firing off. I want to take advantage of it. Yeah, I can renew. I can renew online. I just haven't. I want to wait until it was already fully expired. I'm getting my money's worth. Got another one. Oh, he came off. Little guy. I felt it. That was a little one. Got him again, though. Came back for it. Ain't letting you go this time, little player. What do you guys don't eat enough in here? What do you guys don't eat enough in here? Another creeper. He hit it, he missed it, and he hit it again. Got him that time. Woo-wee. Renai says no jerkbait today. No jerkbait today, player. I'm getting hit back to back. I caught one of the biggest fish of my life. Here's another one. I think, yeah, that's another one. This is a decent one too. Oh, yeah, this is a decent one. Oh my God, yeah, this is a big one. Another big one. We'll reel him on in. Don't fight me. Don't fight me, big girl. Don't fight me. Another big one. Another slob. There we go. Another pancake. Another 12 inch. He broke it. He just broke my whole, he just broke my lure. Where'd it go? He broke it. Dude, did he just break that and it fell in the water? No. No. The jig that was working, they said, dude, I'm breaking it. He broke it. He just did a crazy head shake and snapped. I don't know where it went. He just broke the line, bro. No, that's crazy. He just snapped that lure straight off. They're tired of biting it. He saved them for the rest of them. That son of a... Maybe you be slamming the pancakes more than them dinks. I just caught one right here. Right on the reel end. Here's another one. Another decent one too. Another decent one. God, I'm catching these. These are all the sizes I'm starting to catch. I'm starting to get the big ones. I'm starting to get these really nice size crappies, man. This is no need to measure this one. I know this is by far legal. Beautiful. Look at the black on that bottom. Oh, I love fish. I love them. I love them all. I really, man. Seems like a decent size one again. Seems like a decent size, and then look what pops out. Then a little change of cadence, so it's the second bluegill of the day. This is a good size. He threw me off. Bluegill fight really good. I don't know what it is about them. Maybe it's just they got that Napoleon complex because they're a shorter fish, smaller fish usually. Oh yeah, you got hooked right in the brim there, buddy. Can't even pop it out. Yeah, because hopefully, you guys, we have good footage. If we got good footage right now, we could probably get this one. This could be a decent long form. Got him. I don't know what this is. Little small crappie. Not sure if he's gonna really make the cut. Yeah, I sure am enjoying mine. Yeah, it was totally a good call. I asked Linda, where should I go today? We both agreed, because we said it yesterday, we were gonna come to Punderson. I just didn't know, because I'm scared of Punderson, not having any luck. But right now, I'm catching crappie back to back. Oh, wait, that's not a crappie. Different fish. That's not a crappie, but it's still back to back. That's a bluegill, little gill. Ah! Come on, I've already been stabbed. I've already been stabbed.
I want to start enjoying Sunday too.
Here it is, another one. We're at 13 already. These fish are slamming stuff. Yeah, but you gotta, in his defense, he was out catching walleye last night. Got another one. Got another one. Yeah, he was out catching walleye last night, so he probably was tired. Another crappie. Get away from the bag, please. Get away from the bag. Get away from the bag. Another keeper. Boat flipping it. Here we go. Right back on target. Right back on target. Good fish. Man. I love areas that folks don't fish. They do not. I can't seem to find them this size at Mosquito. There's so many people fish over there. Probably some people don't even know this place exists. You! Yes! Woo! Man, let's go, bro. I'm not sure how many is in the net, to be honest. It could probably be close to 10. Probably close to 10, because we threw a lot of little ones back. So I'm not really sure. We're gonna have to get a count here soon, because I gotta, just to give myself an idea, don't want to go over. Game warden does come over here and patrol as well, and I'm not a poacher. I do everything legal, measure every fish, unless I know for a fact it's over to 9. Got him. Ooh, he came off, I think. Unless that was like a little bluegill. I didn't get him stick real good. Got your ass. This is a big one. This one's, oh my God, what is this? Oh my God, this is a bigger one than I caught earlier. Come straight to me, Papa. Come straight to me. And he ain't going nowhere, he swallowed it. It's right in the top of the mouth there. Oh. Yeah, this one's bigger than that other one. You can tell by, look at the eyeball on that thing. Look at the lip. Man, massive. Look at that, dude. Look at that. I think the curse might have been a little lifted today. That's a big indeed. And look how she choked it. Look where she choked it at, right up under in that mouth. Let me see if I can get it open for you guys to see. Right up in there. Slammed it.
Linda says, that's what I'm talking about. I do not have to make dinner tonight.
Nope. Dinner's on Daddy tonight. Dinner is on Daddy tonight. Yep. 13 inches. 13-inch crappie. Break dancing in here. Yeah, because this bag, oh, got him. Oh, nice size. Nice size. Oh, yeah, great.
I figured there was a good reason, and that's legit.
Oh my God, this is another tank. Another tank. Golly, he's fight. Ah, tried to get it. Tried to get it. Oh, I tried to get him, man. He knew he was unhooked. He ran. Oh, right. Did you guys see that? What up, Jug? I ain't seen you in a while, bro. What's going on, Big Jug? Fish on. Fish on. Oh, watch the bag, you little mother. Okay. All right, landed it successfully. If you're just tuning in, this is what's in the bag. Lots and lots of these. Nice keeper crappie. We've been catching them all day. I started to jump in for one. That's how much I'm addicted right now. This bag is beyond full. I lost count already. The Nevius. What's good? Good morning, guys. If you're just tuning in, good morning. We got about an hour left of the morning, and then we'll be right in the afternoon. Day's been flying by. Sunday fun day. Ooh, that's a bite right at the boat here. Right at the boat. Choked it. Little bluegill. We'll take him. We'll take him. Beautiful bluegill at that. Look at that orange. Look at that bright, vivid orange. It's taking a piss everywhere. Look at that thing. It's pissing all over the place. Damn, how much pee you got in you, little fella? Jesus. Pissing all over the place. A little bluegill. That's a fish. Oh. Oh. Got him. Thought he got slow. Thought he got slow. We got him. Oh, 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 yeah. Good one. Good one, good one, good one, good one. Get in the boat. Get in the boat. Ew. So he must have got attacked. This one's got something, a little cosmetic issue. Look at that. Something must have tried to attack him. But he'll still go. We'll take him out of his misery here. This is what we've been catching. This has been the answer today. Good morning, guys. Great crappie. Good morning. Got him. Oh yeah, decent one too. He's back there fighting. I got a ways to get him back here. I got a ways to get him here, and he's a good looking fish. Crappie. Nice looking fish back here. Don't hit that bag. Don't see the bag. Just gonna keep on guiding you up here. Come on. Come on. All that fighting, you ain't gotta do all that. You're not that big, guy. But you're big enough to go in my bag. Yeah, barely hooked. You would have came off. You would have came off if you would have kept doing that crazy shit. That's another one. Something's nibbling off their fins. Something's trying to munch on these fish. I'm moving out of there. Those people, it's warming in there. Sucks for them. I think I took all the fish that wanted to bite. Hey, I would like to try fishing. Never done it before. It looks peaceful. Still, give it a try. Like straight, just like what she said. This is my therapy. Days like today just remind me of why I love fishing. Because yesterday was a tough day for me. I couldn't keep my boat straight. I lost 2 bass. Couldn't figure out the answer. But didn't let it deter me. Came out, tried a new lake. A lake that I never really got too much success in. And today we've been killing it, man. It's fun getting those fish. Got him. Got him. There we go. Right after lunch. Right after lunch. What is this thing? Bluegill. Pretty bluegill. Nice, pretty, dark orange. Got another peeing show here. Another piss show. All right, guy. All right. Bluegill. That's another one. Fish on. Don't see it yet, though. Okay. Okay, another target species. Back where we need it. Worked away and found some more that's gonna bite. Slab. Right back filling up the bag like we never left. Let's go. Let's go, man. Beautiful fish. That's it. That's it. That's what it's all about. I'm gonna throw that in the bag in a second. Let me see if I can go double back it. Fix this up here. Ooh, good one. I don't know what this is, actually. That was a great bite he just gave me. Oh, yeah, it's a good one. Good one. Bring him on in here. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's literally like, that's kind of been what's just been happening. I'll catch a small bluegill and then we catch a crappie back here. Ooh, that thing stole it. That one stole it right here. What is this? It's running crazy. I don't think this is a crappie. I don't think this is a crappie, guys. Oh my God, yeah, this is not a crappie. And if it is, it's a big one. If it is, it's a big one. It's running like crazy. So don't tire yourself out. This might be something I need to get the net ready for, dude. Don't lose this shit, Jay. What a fight. What a fight. I can't even reel down on it just yet. It's heavy, whatever it is, dude. It's heavy for this little old line, that's for sure. I think I seen him. Don't get in this crap, please. Catfish. Yeah, it's a great fishing day. Third species. Big old fat little cat. Goodness gracious. Look at that. Look at that. Little catfish. Bite definitely slowed down. But I got faith. I got faith that these fish will get hungry again. There was a point where we were just literally cast, catch, cast, catch, cast, catch.
Speak_no_your_manager says, wind seems calmer today.
Yeah, it's definitely calmer today. And then we're not at Lake Erie. We're at a different lake today. One of the lakes that I really think that there was a curse on me at because I never really had much luck here. I threw a pole in here Yeah, so I've had plenty of fish come off in here. But to be able to catch a target species, one I was not expecting to even come across here, has been exciting. And not only target, we've caught a PB, man, personal best crappie. That's a fish. That's a fish. Little one. Little one though. Little pup. Little pup crappie. So we managed to get right back on him. That's why I said I have faith. Sometimes you get a little slow moment. Get a little slow moment. Now this one, I don't think I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna measure it to see what his length is like. But he's. Oh, come on now. Hold on, Mr. Flappy. Hold on, Mr. Flappy. Yeah, he's legal. He would make the cut. He would make the cut but he's.
That shit was blowing harder the other day than the Paris Hilton leaked video.
Yeah, should I keep him or release him? He's tiny, man. I'm gonna release him. I'm not even gonna wait for an answer. As a fisherman, this thing that's small. His shoulders aren't fat at all. Let this guy go. Ends now. That's one. Two. Fuck, this is like fucking harder than I thought. Three. Four. Five. Six. Seven. Harder than I thought. Three. Four.